thing. You know how you can use a camera?
Mhm.
He's using that and chasing me and twisting her neck.
Oh.
Oh my god. I don't even know if she's the murderer. Oh, it's not her! I'm sorry. I'm sorry to get to you, neck snapper. Oh my god, that girl's dead. Run.